Welcome back to Furthermore Crafting. Got a special treat for y'all today. Just a little fun project I pulled off a while ago and felt like showing it off. Good times. So here we have the standard 24 ounce Stanley brick hammer or block hammer or masonry hammer or stone hammer, whatever you want to call it. I just call it a mason hammer. It's how I've always known them. But as you can see, we took and sanded all the finished stuff off, all the wax or the clear coat or lacquer or whatever it is they throw on their finished handles. Sanded it all down, and I carved in all the knot work. I really get a kick out of old looking stuff. Big fan of history. Love ancient Celtic stuff, ancient Scandinavian stuff, ancient Germanic stuff. Love it all. History is important. Transition down into some different knots into the handle. And then a butt cap knot, you could call it, I suppose. Around the end. And then some texturing and whatnot. And I do all handles, all knife handles, axe handles, tomahawk handles, hammer handles. I do all that by hand carving it. I'll do some Dremel work on some bigger wood projects, but if it's a handle, it's getting done by hand. That's just how I am. I draw it out by hand. I carve it by hand. I'll sand it by hand. I'll finish it by hand. And to give it a fun finish process, once all the knot work was carved in before my final sandings, I took and I stained the whole handle with I think it was like a midnight mahogany or a dark walnut stain. I can't quite remember at this point, but and then when you sand off, finish off, get the finish smooth, the stain locks in and all the spots you carve, holds that dark. Just gives it a really cool effect. Make a $30 hammer look like you pulled it out of a ancient barn or something. That's what you're into. I like making stuff look old. But just these hammers as they are will last you 50 years, taking it out and working on it. I also took and some rough sandpaper and sanded down all the metal surface on the head, and then gun blued it. Used some gun bluing and darkened it up to give it that aged, antiqued finish. I think it came out pretty nice. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. Like and subscribe, and can't wait to see you for another one. Have a good day.